with Thrift.life, and guess what? We are opening another territory. We are in Alachua County, which is the Gainesville area, and we are going to be doing a series of the nonprofit thrift stores in this area to add to the maps. So go to Thrift.life. The maps are interactive. When you're visiting an area, you can find your nonprofit thrift store. You can read their stories. But we are right now at the Habitat Alachua County Restore store. We're going to go in and check it out and see what they have to offer. And it's 2017 Alachua County on 441. So let's go in and see what they have here. Thrifters, I'm so excited. Let's go in.
Okay, go ahead.
Hey, we are inside the Habitat Restore here in Alachua County. Thrifters, you've got to come in and see this store. This is a beautiful store. They have so much to offer. And like I said, go online, read their story, check them out. Go to fabulousfindsad.com. We will have their story on there. You can also listen to the radio program that explains what Habitat really does for the community. When you shop these stores, the money goes right back to your local community. Thrifters keep on thrifting. I love this store. See ya.